guys, I can hear. Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm here at the Q Cafe at Golden Prince, guys, and I'm trying out their new beverages. And karon na mainit ko kay lamig kay si Kwati and lamig kayo ang mga foods here. Super care of kabilin. And then there are a lot of new drinks there. I'm going to take you around para makita ninyo ang mga milk teas, frappes sa Q Cafe. So they're located sa Golden Prince lower ground floor. So tanawa akong ipagkaon, guys. Drinks that we have prepared for everybody.
Our first frappe is the espresso crunch frappe. The next frappe is the mocha frappe made of chocolate sauce. Then the next frappe is the tablia frappe. The next frappe is the caramel frappe. The next frappe is the chocolate frappe. The next is the green tea frappe made of green tea powder, the matcha powder.
Okay. Maying hapon, so I'm going to I'll be presenting the selections of the milk tea. So basically, it's like 7 varieties. So let's start with horchata. So that is the keto. So everyone goes crazy about getting. Next to that is very famous now. So we have the matcha. This one is chocolate Assam milk tea. So Assam is actually one of the places in India. So basically this is an Indian tea which they also mix with delicious and creamy chocolate. And then this one is tiger spice. So this is actually the pride of David Rio. So this is also the lighter side or the lighter taste of the horchata. So you can expect also a little flavor of cardamom and cloves. And this one, for those who are actually into fruity flavor, so I'm combining the strawberry and banana. And if you can see this little seeds there, it's actually the chia seeds. And it's very healthy when already the benefits of chia seeds. Next, the last one is the cheesecake. So we're actually using the same ingredient for chocolate Assam, but we're putting the taste of cheesecake here.
So I'm just finishing my drinks, guys. Ang marshata. We're going to go to kabilin kay mas naganda food. So food crawl na tani, dili na ni siya kapi-kapi lang food crawl na dyan. So naayon na akong camera. I'm so happy. Hi Christine and hi JC Echo. Ano? Nabakuhan ko ka nagdaka.
Yeah. It so happened that I need to get used to this.
Yeah, you need to.
Somebody gave this to me.
Mas sa ano? Yeah. Di ba? No, mas ganahan ko niya magtag-aw kay. Grabe. Are you sure?
Hello.
Ayan, grabe.
So, of course, I still have.
Wow. Alam ba ni sa lami kay ang food dito mi ganina sa Q Cafe, daghan kay mga lami nga drinks, nindot king lights nga rin. Here sad lami kaayo ang mga puto, tapos napadyoy dinuguan and palabok. Kanang mura galing kanang grabe ang feel.